Ember and the Loud Noise. It was a bright sunny morning in Blossom Meadows. The flowers swayed gently in the warm breeze, and the meadow was full of colour and light. Ember was outside, happily dancing in the flowery meadows. Her petals bounced as she spun around. "I love sunny mornings," Ember giggled. Across the meadow, Sprout was running through the tall grass as fast as his little legs could go. Zoom! He laughed as he raced past the flowers. Not far away, Lumi was carefully picking a beautiful blossom. "They will look lovely in my cottage," she said softly. But high above Blossom Meadows, the sky began to change. The bright blue sky slowly turned grey. Big fluffy clouds rolled across the sky, covering the warm sunshine. Sprout stopped running. Lumi looked up, and Ember paused her dancing. Then suddenly, a loud sound rolled across the sky. A bright flash of lightning lit up the clouds. Ember jumped and covered her ears. "Oh," she gasped, "what was that?" Her petals trembled and she looked worried. Lumi walked over gently. "It's okay, Ember," she said kindly. "That was thunder." Sprout nodded. "The clouds sometimes make big rumbly noise when it rains," he explained. Ember looked up at the sky again. Another soft rumble echoed far away. Ember took a small breath. "It still sounds very loud," she said quietly. "That's okay," Lumi said with a warm smile. "Sometimes loud noises can surprise us." Sprout stood beside her. "We can watch the storm together," he said. The three friends stood side by side in the meadow. The rain began to fall softly on the flowers. The thunder rumbled again in the distance, but this time Ember wasn't alone. Her friends were right beside her. Soon, the clouds began to drift away. The rain slowly began to stop. The clouds drifted away and the warm sunshine returned to Blossom Meadows. Golden light sparkled on the flowers and tiny raindrops shimmered on the leaves. Ember looked up at the sky. "The storm is gone," she said softly. Lumi smiled kindly. "You were very brave," she said. Sprout grinned. "And storms always pass." The three friends stood together in the meadow, holding hands as the sunshine warmed the flowers again. And from that day on, Ember remembered something very important. Sometimes, little blossoms, we hear loud sounds that can feel a bit scary, but remember, you are safe and you are never alone.